welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandria here. Today I'm kind of excited because I'm going to be trying out a new product. Oh, really, like a ton of products in one, which is going to be this Beauty Glazed colored board. This palette comes with 60 shades and it has 4 different trays within this eyeshadow box. This is hashtag things TikTok made me buy. Mind you, I don't even have a TikTok account. I just like scroll on there. I don't have an actual account. I don't make TikToks. I just scroll on there from time to time and I saw this. It is 60 shades and it was only $16. Like, are you serious? And on the TikTok, she was ranting and raving about the color pigmentation for this eyeshadow palette. So I'm really excited to try this out today. I think I'm going to do like a fall look, intro into fall look. But as you can see, you've got your greens, you've got your reds, which I feel like I'm definitely going to be dipping into this for the fall look. You've got your blues, like look how pretty this is. You've got different shimmers and mattes. You've got glitters. And then you've kind of got your purples. So this is literally $16, you guys. $16 for 60 shades. And supposedly the color payoff is really good. So let's just give it a try. I'm going to try this green right here. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh.
And
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going to try one from like each palette. I'm going to go with this reddish color right here. It has like no shimmer to it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. $16. $16 for that kind of color payoff. Like this is almost like similar in color payoff to like Juvia's Place. I'm gonna try one of the glitters. I'm lost for words. I'm shooketh. Shooketh. Look at that. Ah, what kind of super palette is this? Like, what? All right, I'm trying this purple shimmer right here. It's so buttery. It's so creamy. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to try one more like matte shade of this. I'm going to go with this like pink shade here in the middle. That don't even make no sense. Okay? I can't even with this palette. Like, all right, enough of that. Let's start some makeup. I'm gonna start with brows. And can we talk about how shady my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush for brows is? Like, it just decided to break out of nowhere, like when I went to New York. And like, I really just like don't appreciate that at all. So I'm using this random brush. Alright, brows are done. Next I'm going in and I am priming my lids with this concealer from Juvia's Place, and then I'm going to blend that out and set it with the Sacha Buttercup powder just to get my eyelids prepped for eyeshadow. Going into the magical palette now. I'm going with the red series. Nothing says fall like reds and golds and oranges, so I want to start by going in, what do I want to start with? I think I'm going to start with this shade right here, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and pack that into my crease. Go in with another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this orange right here and I'm gonna bring that up on top of this. I want to deepen this up a little bit, so I'm going into the purple series. Jeez. I'm going into the purple series, and I'm going to take this color right here. We're going to take a different brush, and we're going to pack that into the outer crease to give it some depth. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. And I feel like I want something a little, you know, sparkly, a little bold, shall I say? So I think I'm gonna go into this gold color right here for my lid. Actually, you know what I wanna do? I'm gonna go in the red. I'm feeling the red vibes. And the reason why I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go on with this red is because I think what I'm gonna do is to go in with this goldish, coppery, like glitter right here that I was talking about earlier, right in the middle. Oh, this is just okay. So I'm done with the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 335 and 338. Next, I'm going in with my concealer. I'm concealing under my eyes. I'm using this concealer from Juvia's Place. It is really close to my foundation shade. And then I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which is a little bit lighter, to brighten up underneath my eyes. Next, I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and also on my smile lines. I basically put it anywhere where I really want it to set and I want my makeup to stay dry. So I goes in with the Sacha Buttercup powder like in. So here's me applying that. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me blush. I think this is in the color Rose, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones. And after I apply my blush, I go in with my Ofra Highlighting Trio palette. The palette is just so bomb. So I'm going to take that Ofra palette and apply some highlighter on my high points of my cheekbones and my nose. I live for this highlighter. Next, I'm just putting on some mascara. I'm also going to be applying falsies, so I'm just putting on a thin layer of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And typically I don't contour, but for some reason I was like, let me give it a try. So this was like a random contour palette that I just had in the stash, and I just went into one of the darker brown shades and used my beauty blender to do a little bit of a tiny contour. I'm still getting into contouring, so I think I was just like, might as well give it a try, see how it turns out. I think it added a little bit of something to the look. Alrighty, lashes have been popped on. I'm living for this look, like I can't even. So lashes are on. These are the Lily lashes in Miami. The last thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of inner corner highlight. This Ofra highlighter is blinding. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this look. Like, it is serving fall realness. All right, guys, well, that's it for today's video. 10 out of 10 recommend the Colorboard eyeshadow palette. Like, I had little to no fallout. The pigmentation is crazy. As you can see, it's $16 and 60 colors. I mean, you literally cannot beat that. 10 out of 10 recommend this. Go cop it. You will not regret it. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.